Hello, ALER members. This is April Blakely, your business manager for ALER, and I wanted to take you through a very important annual step that's registering for the conference each year. This year we'll be in Denver, Colorado, of course, and I wanted to take you through the steps in case you've forgotten how to maneuver the website. The first important issue is to make sure that you're logged into your member profile account. This is very important because you won't receive your early bird discount unless you're logged in under your membership. So I've started with my login page. You can see it welcomes me up here, and you can see that it does indicate I'm on my profile page. Once you're there, it's very easy to transfer into conference registration with a few clicks. First, click our icon up here in the left corner. That'll take you to the home page of ALER, but you're still signed in because you can see the My Profile here. Next, I'm going to go to Conference, select ALER 2022, scroll down past our Denver publications, past keynote speakers, and you'll see 4 important tabs here. You've already perhaps been to conference proposal registration. Maybe you've already registered for your hotel room. If not, please do so relatively quickly as we have a limited number of rooms left. Our conference program will be available in a few months for you to look at. And the one we're going to work on today is registration. I'll click here and then click Register Now. On the registration page, click Register in green. Now I'm on the registration page. Again, I confirm that I'm on my member registration because it pre-populates my name and address. If you need to update anything on your member profile, this is a good time to do so by clicking this button. Mine is still all accurate, except for my phone number. I should update that. Click this check, and now go to Next. Next, it takes me to my attendee selection. I am a member, and I'm going for the full conference. So my early bird price will be $160, and I click here, Save and Finalize. Next is Checkout. Again, this just takes you through your information. You can see that it updated my telephone number. I'm going to delete that. That should have been moved down there. Again, this is a good time to update anything that's out of date. Then on payment information, please check credit card, which is already checked. The only people that can use check or money order are Bill Me or administrators. You'll enter your card type, number, CVV, expiration date. If the billing address is the same, you can simply check this. If it's different, we need what's on the credit card, please. Sometimes if you're using a corporate card, you'll need to enter separate information here. Then process and finalize. You'll receive a confirmation email immediately to your attached email address, and an invoice will populate in your member profile area. I'm going to skip out of that, go back to member profile, and show you where you can locate your invoice for reimbursement purposes with your institution. On your member profile page, if you will click the down arrow beside Welcome, you'll see an Invoice tab. If you click that, all invoices created in the system will be here. Open or processed, shipped, closed, they're all there. You might look at closed invoices or open here to find the most recent ones. From there, you can download and print and use it for your reimbursement. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you at the annual conference in November.